Hey everyone, today we are going to talk about a real life scenario where a seller failed to disclose that a window air conditioning unit wasn't working properly. So in this case, the home inspection report revealed that the window air conditioning unit wasn't cooling. However, on the disclosure form, the seller had checked no representation when it came to the HVAC section. So the buyer is confident that the seller must have known that the window air conditioning unit wasn't working properly. I mean, it was summer. They must have known this. So the buyer wants to know if they can basically make the seller foot the cost of repairing the unit. And the answer to this is no. As a general rule in North Carolina, a seller is not really required to disclose information about their property to the buyer. They can't misrepresent information about the property, but they don't have an affirmative action to responsibility to volunteer information about the property. The one exception to this rule is if there was something seriously wrong with property and it couldn't be detected in a normal inspection, such as like a crack in the foundation that had been covered up. That they would have to disclose. Now, on the other hand, the seller's listing agent, if they knew that the air conditioning wasn't working, they actually have a fiduciary duty to disclose that information. Sellers don't have to disclose material facts, but real estate agents do, whether they're the buyer's agent or the listing agent. Hope this helps. Thanks.